Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm trying out the lace skin makeup trend and combining the lace skin with a Lana Del Rey makeup look. When you think of Lana Del Rey, you often think of lace, so I thought this might be a good combination look to try. For the lace, I cut it off of this dress and just used the top lace layer. Then I cut out sections of the lace that I wanted to incorporate into the look, and used Mayron's liquid latex to adhere the lace to the skin. I cut out this large floral lace area to cover the cheek section. Then cut out a similar design for the other side, but they're not exactly the same. Then using a little bit of liquid latex on the edges. For the forehead area, I found a shape that would cover the brows. After the larger sections were in place, I put sort of smaller sections and more mesh-like lace in between. For the eyes, I used white concealer to kind of blend in with the lace, and also I used this as a base for the eyeshadow. Then to incorporate Lana's makeup into the look, I'm using a blue eyeshadow and creating a winged-like shape. Then blending that blue in with the white. Then using black for a winged eyeliner. For underneath the eye, I used white and created sort of a line underneath the eyes to create sort of a more doll-like or open eye look. Then going underneath that, I'm using black just to line the white. Then using a bit of blush over top of the lace. And I decided to not add any brows to this look. Then I'm exaggerating my lips for a more Lana type look and using a light brown liner and then filling that in with pink. Then adding a lace outfit and veil for her wedding style look. And that completes this lace skin Lana Del Rey combination makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.